different angles. Bill Stein from California has become the coach of coaches here in the United States, helping some of the best aerobatics pilots anywhere to fly, and those who already fly aerobatics to fly better. Now, as Bill flies by, he will endure some bone-crushing G's. But watch him as he gets to the top. Watch this tumble now. There's one. And he'll bring it back around. That's the avalanche. And I want to say hello directly to Bill Stein live in the cockpit. Hello, Bill Stein. How are you, my friend?
I'm excellent. How about you? What a beautiful day to be in Pensacola, huh?
Oh yeah, we've got some perfect sky, just enough high clouds to help give it definition, and you've got an airplane that looks better than anything else that's going to fly here all day.
That's awesome. It's really cool. What a great lineup. I'm so happy to be a part of the homecoming show for the Blues on their 70th anniversary.
Oh yeah, now I know that you're going to be experiencing some G's, and we'll want to talk all the time, but I'd love for you to tell us a little bit about the aerobatics you're doing and why it is that you can make this airplane do the tumbling maneuvers that 25 years ago nobody could do.
Alright, so what I'm doing right now is an upright flat spin. Here I have about 1,000 foot. I'm going to recover, do a little bit of a roll, and what they did about 25 years ago was figure out carbon fiber and composite materials and really make airplanes that were strong that allow us to do stuff like this.
So it's a combination of those composite carbon fiber lightweight materials that had very strong small fuselages and those very powerful engines and the propellers like the Hartzell claw you've got.
Absolutely. This is a really strong airplane, John Rock wing, and the engine's, bold and beautiful, and my prop is pretty awesome. Here's a tumbling maneuver since you brought it up. Took it from Wayne Haley, slide winder. I'm up, I do a roll, stop, one revolution of a right. Now I'm going to roll the right, loud and right yaw, left yaw, stick forward, and end over end.
Now, what you're doing would make most of us puke, and you're talking like you're taking a walk in the park. How can we convince people that it's really you live from the cockpit this very moment?
Well, we got the volunteers that can come join me, maybe.
Well, you know what? I wish I had my mother-in-law up there with you.
Okay, that's funny.
I'm serious.
That's pretty funny. All right, so what I'm going to do now is a set of dates. And these are tumbles, they're one revolution. So all I do is just right, left, look around, and stop it. You have to do a few just to make sure everybody knows you did it on purpose.
Quite frankly, Bill, I don't think you do anything accidental up there.
Try not to. This is a pretty disciplined art. You work, and you try and make it look easy. But it's all about the time you spend in the cockpit, getting ready, and practicing and making it right.
I know that you've spent a lot of your time helping other people learn to fly aerobatics, and that is a very laudable thing that you do. Thanks for your work and service to our community.
It's really fun. Watching someone set a goal and then helping them accomplish it. It's just a fantastic thing to do.
Tell us a little bit about the paint job, because we're seeing all sorts of different shades of blue, greens, and coppers and everything else.
It is pretty crazy. So, it's this evening called Harlequin, and it does take colors, primarily purple and green, but there's a couple different purples, a couple different greens, a blue that I like, yellow and pink, and all sorts of stuff in there.
Yeah, it's daggone impressive, buddy. All right, now, look at that. You're backing it up.
Excellent.
That is
Nothing like flying at sea level and getting up altitude to do a reasonably good torque roll.
Yes, indeed. Wayne Handley, I should say Charlie Hillard, won the World Aerobatic Championships in 1972 with that maneuver, didn't he?
Yeah, he was revolutionary. There was a guy that could fly and entertain. Because in the end, it's all about the entertainment business. And he was innovative.
Yeah, now you just did a slow roll. You said something about that yesterday that really impressed me.
That is the hardest
The slow roll, the hardest thing you can do. Why is that?
Well, you're kind of low to the ground, and there's not a lot of lift when you're knife edge, so you got to have good confidence to make that work out properly.
Bill Stein now right on the deck. Watch him as he pulls up. That paint job. Watch this now. Snap roll 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Looks like 4 snap rolls on the top of a loop. Quadruple avalanche.
Quadruple avalanche. I should make it 5 because I like prime numbers so much.
Bob Carlton likes symmetry. You like prime numbers.
I do. Prime numbers are pretty cool. It wasn't nasty this college. All right, here's another trouble. Big trouble. Same kind of thing. 130 knots. Nose up. I got my 1,000 feet. Yaw, go.
Now, was that left?
All right.
Okay. Now, you weren't talking during part of that. How come?
It might have been sounded a little unattractive. So every now and then you just gotta let go of the push to talk.
I don't even want to think about the noises you had to make just to stay conscious.
So I only got about a minute and a half left here. So it's all pretty athletic, but it's very, very tough.
Well, while you're heading that way, I'm going to tell the folks about your sponsors, okay?
Thank you very much.
He wants to thank Softy Parachutes. Paraphernalia has designed and manufactured the Softy line of pilot emergency chutes since 1979. Also wants to thank Champion Aerospace, excelling in aviation, a global reputation for high quality and performance-proven aviation solutions. To Hartzell Propeller, where he hangs it on that prop right now, that Hartzell Propeller is doing a lot of work for you right now, isn't it?
Hartzell's a great company run by really great people, and their product is fantastic. And that's the only way I can do a hover like this.
Look at that. There's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I don't want to get boring.
That's 20 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. He can hear you if you make some noise. Give it up for Bill Stein. You hear that, buddy?
I do. They get a staff for that. All right, so now, speaking of everybody, I'd like to take a picture with everybody. I got a couple cameras facing back. What we're going to do is I'm going to yaw and stick my tail in the crowd, and hopefully me and the crowd will be in the picture together doing a selfie.
All right, we're ready.
Okay, here we go.
Get ready to wave, everybody. Stand up and wave.
Time. Wave. All right, we'll get the people by the blues. Ready, wave.
See that waving, everybody?
From an awesome sponsors in the chalet. Thanks for helping out with the show, everybody.
Bill Stein, you are awesome, my friend.
Thank you. Hey, is that the jet truck down there?
Oh, my goodness, it's smoking down there.
He's lit up. He's going to make a run.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Off to the right.
I'll stay in the box and see if I can show him what fast it really is.
Oh, you're gonna race him?
Oh, no.
Well, I bet you he'll do it.